have 2 to 4 teams, depending on how many children are in your class. And each team will have a paper aeroplane, which they will throw at the dartboard. If you land on a blue number, there will be a challenge. If you land on a red number, a question. If you answer the question correctly or do the challenge correctly, you win the number of points that you landed on. Don't do the challenge or question correctly, 0 points.
Oh, okay.
So, are you ready for dartboard challenge?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, ready.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, Olivia, you are Team A.
Yeah, I'm Team A. Okay.
So let's see. You landed on 3.
3, okay.
So you get a challenge. For the challenge, you can ask the children to set the challenge as well, but today, Olivia, I'm going to set your challenge. Can you touch your knee with your elbow? Yeah, well done.
Easy.
I got 3 points.
3 points, Olivia. Okay, Ben, you're up.
See? 20. Okay.
Oh, I think you
it's
landed here.
13.
13, a question.
Okay.
Can you tell me the name of a sport that you play with a racket?
Tennis.
Well done, you play tennis with a racket.
Okay.
13 points.
Ah.
Okay, so one more time.
Yeah, whatever.
1, 3, 1, 3.
19. Okay, if you want, the higher the number, you can make the challenge or question more difficult too.
Oh yeah.
Okay, can you tell me?
I have a question.
You have a question, go on then.
What is the capital of Australia?
The capital of Australia is Sydney.
No.
It's not.
No, it's
It
not.
is Canberra.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Olivia, 0 points.
I'm so sad. I'm so sad.
Good try, good
Yeah,
try.
good try. Thank you. Okay, so difficult question or difficult challenge?
11.
Oh no.
I think it was 1. It was 1.
It was 1. Okay.
It was 1, I have to admit.
Okay, I didn't see. Okay, so a challenge for Ben. Number 1, so it's easy. Not a challenge. Can you touch your nose with your tongue?
No,
No,
I can't.
but he tried.
Nah.
So 1 point. 13 add 1 is 1 and 4, which is, what number is that?
14.
14 points and 3 points. Ben, you are the winner!
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Well done, Ben. And that is dartboard
good
challenge. Good game.